Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. If you're new here, welcome. Please wait till the end of the video to subscribe or anything because you may not like me. I'm not everyone's cup of tea type thing. Yeah. We got a lot of stuff up here and I'm trying to keep it clean because I share this space with my son. If you watched the last video, this is now his desk area also. So, yes. Okay. Today we are opening the Ipsy box. This is my Ipsy box for September. We have Find Your Groove. The last mega drop is Monday the 9th of October. It's got some of the stuff in here with the prices. Some of it I found out last month, I believe. And then Artista in Residence, Hispanic Heritage Month, celebrating unique cultures with the limited edition mystery bag. And it's got like all the little cute things on it. Alright, so let's get in here. I will be honest, I picked everything that's in here. Well, except for the 2 items they picked for you. But the choices were very limited, and I saw things that I knew I would use, and there was other things that I knew I wouldn't use. So I felt it was better just to go ahead and pick it myself this month. So, alright, the first thing is Lunar Beauty Lip Pencil. There's 2 in here, and I can't remember how much this is. I picked this. I got it in Doodle and Blushing. This is the first, no, maybe it isn't. I want to say it's the first Lunar Beauty product I've ever owned. And these are definitely 2 colors that I would use. And that's what they look like at the top. They're those annoying ones that you have to sharpen. It's weird. Unless it twists at the bottom. Nope. Okay, so 2 lip pencils. Why isn't it wanting to go in? Alright. And it doesn't say how much those are. Then we have this was picked for me, Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream by Glow Recipe. Looks like this is the box. And it's $38. So that's one thing we got a price for. And it's just this little bottle. Because it's eye cream. And I don't want to open it because I'm currently using 2 eye creams. Alright, and now we have the LYS Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask with pomegranate and charcoal. And yep, $26. So those 2 right there pay for the box. Oh, I love how that looks. The triangles. This is the brand with the triangles. Usually. Didn't I get like, no, that's PYT. Okay. That's kind of cute. Let's see if it's closed. Yes. Do not open till you're going to use. I love that. So there's no expiration date. And it says once you open, it's only good for 6 months. Like I said, do not open till you're going to use it. Alright. Next we have a Defiance Beauty by... This is a liquid lipstick. Can't tell who it is. This is by Nechami. This is Defiance Beauty by... Can y'all see that? I don't know who that is. Okay. It's a liquid lipstick. Oh, it's a very... I'm not going to open it, but it's a very beautiful color. That is beautiful. I picked a good one there. Alright, and then we have the Aceology. I've been loving their stuff. Clarifies, revitalizes, and energizes. Once you open it, it's good for 12 months, so you got a little bit more time with this one. And it's a mask. Let's see. And it's closed at the bottom. That's always a good thing. Always double check when you get a product that there is something on the bottom. And if there's nothing on the bottom, then make sure you use it. Aceology Green Tea Mask. So this box, I like it. It's got it. Well, I picked everything basically, but I think, like I said, I picked stuff I knew I would use and I wasn't gonna be throwing out for the most part, so it worked out. And I think my box is $32.99 a month, and I'm charged the last day of the month. And then you get to you get to pick out on the, I forget what date it is. I think it's like the second or third, or second and third. I don't remember. But, all right. That's everything. I'm sorry I've been absent. There's going to be a talk. I think I'm going to change some of the things in the channel, but we will discuss that in a chit chat type video. So, all right. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, so I don't want. It's not going to be this week. So, I will talk to y'all later. You have a wonderful day. If you're wondering who won the giveaway, if they want their name announced, it'll be on the community tab. If they don't, I will put what state they're in. All right. Love y'all. Bye.